Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the Honorable Ms. Risma Julistiana, SPD MPD. Let me introduce my team. We are from third team, and I am Taufik Ramadan as a moderator. And later, I will also be a presenter, and my partner is Arman Darmawan as presenter and the one who will conclude and close today's presentation. The topic of our presentation is SQL. Okay, let's move on to the first presentation, which will be delivered by Arman Darmawan. Time is yours.
Okay, thanks Topik for your opportunity. Next, I'm going to explain about the definition of SQL. What is SQL? SQL is Structured Query Language, standardism programming language used to manage and manipulate data in database system. Is used for the following: modifying database table and index structure, adding, updating, and deleting rows of data, and rectifying subset of information from within fashion database management system RDBMS. This information can be used from transaction processing, analysis application, and other application, and require communicating with a relation database. SQL query and other operation takes the form of command, written a statement, and are agreement into program that enable user to add modify data from database table. That table, the most basic unit of a database, and consists of row of columns of data. A single table holds record, and each record is stored in rows of the table. Tables are the most commonly used type of database object or structure that hold or reference data in a relation database. Other types of database object include the following few are logical references of data assembled from one or more database table. Index are lookup table that help speed up database lookup function. Report consists of data retrieved from one or more tables, usually a subset of data that is selected based on search criteria. Each column in a table corresponds to a category of data. For example, customer name or address, while each row contains a data value for the intersecting column. Relation database are relation because they are composed of tables that relate to each other. For example, a SQL database used for customer service can have one table for customer name and address, and other table that hold information about specific purchase, product code, and customer contact. A table is to track key to reference the customer record in separate table used to store customer data, such as name and contact information. SQL become de facto standard programming language for relation database after they emerged in the late 1970s and early 1980s. Okay, the next presentation will be continued by Taufik. Taufik, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to Arman for giving me the opportunity. Next, I am going to explain about types of SQL. SQL consists of several types, including TDL, TML, DCL, and TCL. But what is often used is TDL and DML. So, I will explain DDL, and DML. Do you know what DDL and DML mean? For the first is DDL. DDL is Data Definition Language. DDL deals with defining and managing the structure of the database. It includes commands such as create, alter, and drop, which are used to create, modify, or delete database objects like tables, indexes, fields, and schemes. DDL commands focus on the overall organization and layout of the database. What is the create, alter, and drop? So everyone, the first is create. The function create is used to make something new. For the example, create table makes a new table inserted and in the database. For the second is alter. The function is used to modify something existing. For the example, alter table is change an existing table. And the third is drop. The function is to delete something. For the examples, drop table deletes an entire table and its data. That's little explanation about DDL. Next, I will explain to the second topic. The second topic is DML. DML or Data Manipulation Language. DML commands are used to interact with and manipulate the data within the database. Common DML commands include select, insert, update, and delete. These commands allow you to retrieve, insert, modify, or delete data stored in the database tables. What is select, insert, update, and delete? First, select. The function is retrieve data from a database. Select statement is used to query the database and fetch specific data from one or more tables. The second is insert. The function is add new data to a database. Insert statement is used to insert new records into a table. And the third is update. The function is modify existing data in a database. Update statement is used to change values in one or more rows of a table. And the fourth is delete. The function is remove data from a database. Delete statement is used to delete one or more table or more rows from a table. Okay, maybe that's little explanation about types of SQL. Thank you for your attention. The next presentation will be closed by Arman Darmawan. Time is yours.
Okay, next I'm going to explain about SQL Select. What is SQL Select? SQL Select is syntax for obtaining data. There are some parts for you to learn. 1. Selection of columns. 2nd, added condition. 3rd, drawing data. 4. Restricted data. 5. Combined data. Number 1. Columns to retrieve. You can specify the column you want to retrieve by listing them after the select keyword. Use the asterisk to retrieve all columns from the table. Example, select asterisk from customer, retrieve all column customer from table. Number 2. Filtering row with condition. You can use the where clause to specify condition that filter the rows to be retrieved based on specific criteria. Example, select name, age from customer, where age 18. Retrieve the name and age column from customer older than 18. Number 3 is sorting result. The order by clause allow you to sort the result based on one or more column either the ascending ASC or DISC. Order. Example, select name and age. That's it for our presentation today. Before we close our presentation, let me to give conclusion. The conclusion is that SQL is a programming language and is process data in the form of table in data and be stored early access and can be used together. This means that SQL is very important in starting and processing data in database system. Thank you for listening and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.